I'm sharing to you my opinion on the Bobette theory. So basically, I'm thinking that the colours that she says are actually representing tunes, because if you listen closely here, I'm just going to play a little snippet of it, you can actually hear colours that she's saying, and I'll tell you what they mean after. So as you heard, it was pink and yellow, red and green, orange and purple, and aquamarine. So basically, aquamarine hasn't got a tune colour, neither green. So basically, pink is bassy or flight, whoever you want to say it to, but I'm saying bassy. Green would... Yellow is Exxon, because he's a yellow egg. Something else, which is like a thing. Red is obviously Bobette. No doubt on that one. Then after, orange, Gordy, purple, Rebecca. So we're just missing green and aquamarine. But then later on in the video, it shows more. I'm just going to play this. Here she gets over. Here she actually snaps. Almost there, guys. Here she fails on putting the star on top of the tree, and well, she falls and cracks the ornament. And this is where it becomes where she becomes twisted. Basically, with it, more of it would be like they wanted to be more happier, and basically not like that. Here where she actually becomes full twisted. She tries to resist the twistedness, but she can't. So here's my theory. I think that whenever a tune goes when it comes in contact with iCore, it like twists them into something unrecognizable. Like Gordy, credits to Carol for that. So yeah, credits to Carol. But anyway, basically after that, she becomes fully twisted because she didn't become fully twisted until then. Sorry if I'm like making you confused, but anyway, basically when she did become twisted, she got really scared. But this is when my theory comes into contact here, because whenever you are doing something, then basically, like, oh my, why can't I say stuff? Basically, whenever you're twisted, but iCore goes into your body, and basically it like twists yourself. And well, they have been doing exactly that. So yeah, my theory is that once you become twisted, you start to feel strange emotions before you become actually twisted, and then when you do become twisted, you can't really recognize anything, and you want to like make everything bad for everyone else. So yeah, that's my theory, but tell me if you have any in the comments, and I'll just play the rest for you guys. Credits to Kelva again and Milk and Microwave and Axie. So that was literally the end. As it says, 3, 2, 1, ready or not, here I come. I've just got to pause this. But anyway, after that, basically, Bobette's the first one to become twisted of the Christmas tunes. We don't know who got twisted first though, but I'm suspecting that. So here's the final summary of my theory. I'm suspecting that Bobette was the first one that was twisted and started to feel really weird. So yeah, if you guys want any more things about Dandy's World, which is basically 50% of my channel, probably more, or want me to try out any other games on Roblox, or even play more Minecraft on this channel, then just let me know. Bye Square Squad, and I hope you guys have a lovely time. Happy New Year, like really early, like very early Happy New Year, so yeah. And if you subscribe, you get a penguin cookie. People who do get a penguin cookie, I'm going to say now. Ooh, wow. Anyway, at Arthur Plays. I don't know who the other people are. If you're subscribed, let me know in the comments. And once you are, like when you do come, just let me know and I'll make sure to add you into the video. So yeah, bye.